talk about shims, it's actually the width or depth of the grey board. So again, the 2mm edge here. And a shim is very useful. It's what you use to divide equal spaces between the cover and the spine. So there are different types of shims you can do. This one is what is classed as a single shim, and basically it's 1 inch wide, and I've just cut it down, and that is one width or one depth of your grey board. Then you can have a double shim, which is exactly the same principle, but this time you've got 2 widths of the grey board which I've cut and stuck together. And then you can do another one, which is what's called a dual shim. So you have one piece that's cut at 1 inch, and your thickness is your original grey board of 2mm. Then you cut another piece the same length but only half an inch wide, stick it on top, and you have a double thickness shim or a dual shim. And these are very handy things to keep